Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Saturday and the gospel will be coming from St. Luke chapter 13 verses 1 to 9. The parable is all about a man who commanded his servant to cut down the fig tree because for the last 3 years he was always searching for the fruit of the fig tree, but he didn't find any. And so he said, cut it down. It is just consuming so much spaces in our garden. But the servant said, Lord, give it 1 more year. I will cultivate it, water it, put some fertilizer, and let's see if it will bear fruit. But if not, then we will cut it off. My dear friends, probably I can really relate on this parable. Because I remember when I was a seminarian, I keep on telling myself, 1 more year, and I will go out of the seminary. And then after that year, another 1 year, Lord, I will test again. And then another year, until I didn't realize it was already the time for my ordination. Well, I'm not saying I wasn't prepared, but the point that I'm giving here is that every year given to us is an opportunity for us to grow. Every year that the Lord has given me, it was a year of discovery. It was a year of realizations. It was a year of knowing myself more and deepening my relationship with God. Had I not been patient with myself, maybe I'm not a priest today. So let us thank God for many years that He has given us, for every opportunity that has been given to us to improve ourselves, to grow in our life, to grow in our decisions, to deepen our spirituality. And in all these things, we have to remember, no year has been wasted because every year is a learning. It's just that we have to be humble and learn from all our mistakes in life. I always say this, nothing's wasted, but only learnings. Forget the not so good experiences and memories, but never forget how we grow and mature from all these things. So my dear friends, look back and be grateful to everything that happened into your life. What is important is today and what will happen tomorrow. That at least we survive and we realize that God has always been with us through ups and downs.